Welcome to a rare and exquisite offering here in the heart of Henry Farm. 44 George Henry Boulevard is a beautiful, renovated luxury family home of 3,200 square feet on a 72-foot wide lot with a spectacular ravine tableland presence. Let's take a look together. Beyond the home itself, Henry Farm offers something that is increasingly rare in Toronto. Wide lots, quality-built mid-century homes, and a true sense of community. And with amenities just minutes away, including shopping and top schools, this is a community to raise your family today and tomorrow. With every luxury and modern convenience, right down to this charming covered porch, which you will enjoy all 4 seasons, this home is one to love. My name is Lisa Graham with Royal LePage Johnson & Daniel Division. Contact me today for more information or a private tour.